Alright, let's talk about chicken. Most of us see it neatly packaged in the store, but there's a massive process behind it. Today, we're going inside a chicken mega factory to see how it all begins. The story starts with a fertilized egg, not a chicken. Eggs arrive at the hatchery by the truckload, tens of thousands at a time. Biosecurity is everything. From arrival, eggs are kept in a protected, clean environment. They're placed in massive incubators that mimic a mother hen. On an industrial scale, this is where the journey to becoming a chick really gets underway. Welcome to the start of the modern chicken's journey. Now we're at the heart of the hatchery, the incubators. Forget about a hen sitting on a nest. These are room-sized, high-tech machines. Inside, thousands of eggs are developing, their environment managed by computers and skilled technicians. The two most important factors: temperature and humidity. These machines maintain a constant, precise climate, just like a mother hen, but on a massive scale. Even a fraction of a degree matters. Too hot or too cold, and the embryos won't develop properly. Humidity is just as critical. The air can't be too dry or too moist. Computers monitor these levels every second, with alarms ready if anything goes wrong. But there's another trick: egg turning. In nature, a hen turns her eggs. Here, racks tilt gently, back and forth, day and night. This simple automated motion is vital for proper development. For about 21 days, the eggs are rocked, warmed, and kept in a perfect, humid climate. Workers check the machines and monitor the computers, ensuring everything runs smoothly. They are the caretakers of this high-tech nursery. Without their focus and understanding of the science, the operation would grind to a halt. It's a blend of nature and technology, scaled up to feed millions. The incubators are silent, patient, and relentless. Every detail is managed for one goal: healthy chicks. This is the science behind every chicken dinner. The countdown continues. Hatching day is almost here. The next step? New life, ready to break free. Let's see what happens when the eggs finally hatch. After 3 weeks, things get exciting. This is hatching day. The eggs are moved to hatching baskets, giving chicks room to emerge. The turning stops. Now, it's up to the chicks. Soon, a faint peeping fills the air, growing louder as thousands break through their shells. Hatching is hard work. Chicks use a special egg tooth to peck a hole, then slowly crack their way out. They emerge wet and tired, but quickly dry off into fluffy yellow chicks. The baskets become a sea of moving, peeping birds. Once most have hatched, it's time for sorting. Workers separate healthy chicks from unhatched eggs or weaker birds. A fast-paced, careful job. Only the strongest, healthiest chicks move on. Automated machines count them and place them into shallow transport crates. They huddle together for warmth, ready for their first journey. These chicks are just hours old, but already on the move. The hatchery's job is done. Fertilized eggs have become thousands of healthy, day-old chicks. Next stop: their new home, where they'll grow up fast. The journey continues. Let's follow them to the broiler house. This is just the beginning. The chicks' journey is just beginning. Loaded into climate-controlled trucks, they're kept comfortable and safe. These are fragile, brand-new animals. Minimizing stress is crucial. Most poultry operations are integrated, so the trip is short. At the farm, strict biosecurity rules kick in. Trucks are disinfected before entering. The broiler house awaits. A long, low building, preheated and ready. The floor is covered with fresh, dry bedding, wood shavings or rice hulls. Workers gently place the chicks onto the bedding. The little birds quickly spread out, exploring their new home. The first hours are critical. They must find food and water fast. Farm workers watch closely, making sure the chicks are active and healthy. A good start now makes all the difference. The once silent house fills with the gentle sound of thousands of chicks settling in. This is their new world, designed for growth. The transition is quick, careful, and essential. The chicks are home, and the real work of growing begins. Welcome to the broiler house. Let's look inside a modern broiler house. These aren't simple barns. They're engineered environments, sometimes longer than a football field. Inside, tens of thousands of birds live together. The climate is controlled by computers, with sensors tracking temperature, humidity, and air quality. Heaters, fans, and misters keep the environment just right. Ventilation brings in fresh air and removes moisture and ammonia. Lighting is carefully managed, long hours for young chicks, then a natural day-night cycle as they grow. This helps birds rest, stay healthy, and grow at a steady pace. Everything is designed for efficiency and animal welfare. The space is open, with easy access to food and water. The environment is stable, protecting birds from outside weather. This level of control allows year-round production, anywhere. It's a far cry from the barnyard of the past. This is a factory for growing food, built with precision. Every detail is managed for healthy, fast-growing chickens. Welcome to the heart of modern poultry farming. Feeding tens of thousands of chickens isn't done with a bucket. It's all automated. Long feed lines run the length of the house, with pans where chickens eat. Feed is stored in silos outside, delivered by augers into the house. Sensors detect when pans are low, triggering automatic refills. Chickens have constant access to fresh food, helping them grow steadily. Water is just as important, delivered through lines with metal nipples. Chickens peck for a drop of clean water, keeping bedding dry, and the environment healthy. The feed isn't just grain, it's a carefully formulated diet, changing as the birds grow. Young chicks get high-protein starter feed. Older birds get adjusted nutrition. Animal nutritionists design these diets for optimal health and growth. Automation ensures every bird gets what it needs, when it needs it. The system is efficient, reliable, and essential for large-scale farming. Dry bedding and clean water keep disease at bay. Every bite and sip is part of a carefully managed process. This is how millions of chickens are fed, every day. Science and automation make it possible. Keeping so many birds healthy is the farm manager's top job. Every day, workers walk the house, watching for anything unusual. They look for signs of sickness, injury, or stress. Catching problems early is critical. Sick birds are removed immediately to protect the flock. Technology helps, too. Automatic scales track average weight as chickens walk by. If growth slows, it's a warning sign. Maybe the feed needs adjusting, or there's a health issue. Automated systems track food and water intake. Sudden drops are red flags. Combining daily walks with data gives a complete picture of flock health. It's old-fashioned animal care, powered by modern tech. The goal: healthy, fast-growing birds, and a safe food supply. Every detail is monitored. Every day. The job is demanding, but essential. Disease can spread fast. Vigilance is everything. The welfare of the animals and the safety of the food supply depend on it. It's a dirty job, but it's the backbone of the industry. This is how modern farmers keep millions of chickens healthy. The numbers behind modern chicken farming are staggering. One broiler house can hold up to 40,000 chickens. A farm with a dozen houses, that's nearly 500,000 birds at once. The cycle from chick to full-grown chicken takes just 6 to 7 weeks. After each flock, the house is cleaned, disinfected, and left empty for a week or two. This downtime breaks disease cycles and prepares for the next batch. A single farm can raise millions of chickens every year. Multiply that by thousands of farms nationwide, and you get billions of chickens produced annually. This industrial scale is what makes chicken affordable for so many people. Automation, climate control, and health management drive this efficiency. Farmers raise more birds with less labor and fewer resources than ever before. It's a system built to feed a growing population. Whether you like it or not, this is how the world gets its chicken. It's a dirty job, but it puts food on millions of tables. The numbers are huge, but every bird starts the same way. This is the scale of modern agriculture. Through every step, food safety is the top priority. It starts with strict biosecurity at the hatchery and continues on the farm. Clean houses, fresh water, and constant health checks are the norm. Workers know they're not just raising chickens, they're producing food for people. Strict rules and regulations govern every part of the process. Regular testing for bacteria, detailed records, and traceability are required. Workers are trained in hygiene and biosecurity, often changing clothes and boots before entering. It's a hassle, but it protects both birds and consumers. When chickens are ready for processing, food safety protocols continue at the plant. The entire system is designed to minimize risks and deliver safe, healthy food. The next time you see chicken in the store, remember the journey it took. It's a story of science, scale, and a lot of hard, sometimes dirty, work. Food safety is the invisible thread holding it all together. That's the real story behind every bite.